the toss. Heads is the call. And we have got heads. They decided to bat first and try and post a big total.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. It doesn't seem to be timed well. He has to work hard on this one to be safe. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. The batsman's off the mark with those runs. Exquisite timing so far. Will this be a hat-trick boundary? He's down on one knee, proposing to go. He's struggling to get into a good rhythm in this stint. This is an absolute ripper of a ball. It has sent the bails flying all around. The bails are lit. What a delivery. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor the innings. An off-spinner joins in the middle. They're desperate for a wicket now. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner. A clever one that left no room for the batsman. Dot ball. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. Two runs to start things off. Couldn't have added more grace to it.
That's it!
Double or nothing. Double it is for the bat. End of over. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. A fast bowler has now dropped it in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. That's a good throw by the fielder. Get it right back at the stumps. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. Such a perfect length from the bowler. The batsman was in two minds there. That's out by the umpire. The batsman's not too sure about the umpire's decision. Looks like he's going to review this. He's going to review the umpire's decision.
As per rule, pitching outside of an impact outside of a middle when the ball is attempted. Okay, we will note out hereby.
Not out, says the umpire. Such an intimidating swing. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely.
Keep us.
Double or nothing. Double it is for the... Batting. End of over. The leg spinner takes up the charge. Can he convert? A leg spinner has come into play. Fielders are making their move at the ground. One bounce and into the fence. There's no stopping that turf wrecker. 4 runs it is. Exquisite timing so far. Will this be a hat-trick boundary? A beautiful delivery, and it swings through the line. And he doesn't seem to be stoppable here. Doldrums. There's some serious mutual respect and understanding between these two.
That's it.
4 off the over's last ball. That was an expensive over. The bowler is not so impressed with the performance. An off-spinner joins in the middle. They're desperate for a wicket now. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes in. A quick shuffle and it's all in the wrists as the ball flies down legs. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. What a block! Amazing speed and reaction time from the fielder. Swept across with no mercy.
Keep us in. Alizé!
The bowler goes up with excitement, but no, says the umpire in the end. A quick couplet from the batter. Bet the bowler's not singing a happy tune. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? Deceived the batsman completely. Two more runs added to the total on the last. Ball of the over. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. A change of pace. A fast bowler. That's an identified flying off. supporting each other through the innings. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. What a way to bring up his 50. Could have easily nicked the bat.
Catch it.
A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. An expensive over that'll cost the bowling a lot.
न्यूजीलैंड के लिए हम तैयार हैं कि आपकी ड्रीम 11 तैयार है
Lot in makeup. An off spinner. Will the bails be spinning off soon, we wonder? Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. Fielders are making their move in the ground.
Ball's in.
He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. He clears the feet and slugs it on the onside.
बॉलर्स
It looks like it's going all the way, and it does. 4. The ball races away to the boundary. 2's company, but 3's a hat trick. Can he do it?
कैच इट
4 runs to end the over. Too many loose deliveries in that one. A costly over that'll come back to bite him. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. He's left it skyward. Is that going to cost him? A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second. So
कीपर्स
a very good partnership by the 2 out in the middle. Out, says the umpire, and huge celebrations from the fielding unit. The batsman's going to ask to review that decision. He's going to review the umpire's decision. Not out, says the umpire. A good ball. No runs given off that one. Great coordination between the pair. That's good running.
कैच इट कीपर्स
A good over for the batting team. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Oh, that was a close one. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. A quick couplet from the batter. And the bowler's not singing a happy tune. He struck the meatiest bit of willow there.
Bowlers.
A whale of an onside shot. Brilliant knock by these two batsmen. The 100 partnership comes up. That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. What a body shot. A swing and a miss. The batsman got luckier there. Leaves the batsman totally baffled. That's a dot. Ball to end the over. Nicely bowled. An off spinner. Will the bails be spinning off soon, we wonder? Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. It's in the air. If that finds it, well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? It's a loud shout and the batsman is unsure. The umpire, 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They have run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. Catch! He's devastated that ball. Thumped over the field for 4. The ball has pierced the fielders all the way. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple? A wild swinging delivery. The batsman is in real trouble now. Superb wrist work. That's been deposited into the stands again at the end of the over. A poor over from the bowler. They're bringing in some medium pace to try and limit the opposition's scoring rate. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. They need to build on this good partnership to post a competitive total. And that's 4. Using his feet superbly. Lovely shot. A clean sweep and it clears the field. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple? Catch it! He's kicking himself for that shot. Easy catch by the fielder. That's the end of a sensational innings. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hope.
माझं नाव नीलम रवी जाधव, मी भिवंडीला राहते आणि मी प्रायव्हेट जॉब करते.
Always go for the legs, as they say in fight sports. The same goes for cricket. A leg spin seem to be timed well. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. Easy decision by the umpire. That signaled not out. Some unbelievable power hitting there. A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. The bowler has completely bamboozled the batsman. A good over for the batting team. An off spinner. Will the bails be spinning off soon, we wonder. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes in a good length from the bowler. That's a fine delivery. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. The ball slams into the stumps, but they've made it in time. No run out here. 2 runs. Sensible cricket. 2 runs to start things off. He jumps back to safety. Was he in time? A confident appeal from the bowler, but the umpire isn't convinced. He turns down the appeal. A hard smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you for 4. A good over for the batting team. The leg spinner takes up the charge. Can he convert? A leg spinner come into play. An unfortunate error by the bowler. The umpire grants the batting a no ball. Time to go for the maximum. Here comes the chance for a free hit. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going? He swings for the big one, but misses it. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. That's it. Keeper. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. They should not try something outside the box here. This partnership is crucial for the batting team. The batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. That looks like a big one. Some fancy footwork there. Pays off with a 4. Got it! Outside! Did he make it in time? The umpire says he did. Safe. Batsman.
बीच बीच में ये गेम अटक जाता है, मुझे नहीं पता क्यों अटक जाता है, ये बग है इस गेम में, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं। और लगभग मैं 2 साल से खेल रहा हूँ, अभी तक ये बग दूर नहीं हुआ, पता नहीं क्या इशू है। बनाना चाहिए इनको आईडी को। खैर खेल तो कोई बात नहीं, अगर कोई बात है।
Time for the bowler to try something new during the non-power play overs. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. The bowler goes up with excitement, but no, says the umpire in the end. A quick couplet from the batter, but the bowler's not singing a happy. Six! A great break from the doldrums. Nice work to bring up the 50 partnerships in this innings. Two's company, but four's a blast. What a shot! He's shown his contempt with a ravaging shot. Lofted for four. And he's out, clean bowled. It's out. The stump is lit up. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. The bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. Two more and he'll retain the strike. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. Could have easily nicked the bat. Lofted for massive six. What a beauty! No need to run for it. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by four. An expensive over that'll cost the bowling a lot in makeup. An off-spinner joins in the middle. They're desperate for a wicket now. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the... He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. He's lofted it just right. Bounce and boundary. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor things. Ball is in. He has to run hard on this one to be safe. Looks like he has to make a dive to save his wicket. The batsman strikes a double on the final delivery. He's a real shotgun, this one. Let's see if he can generate some swing. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Fielders are making their move in the ground. That's a thick bit of legwork from these two. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. A quick couplet from the batter. But the bowler's not singing a happy tune. Off the starting blocks with a safe play. Leaves the batsman totally baffled. Bowlers. Bowler. A good over for the batting team. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. A beautiful delivery and it swings through the line. It doesn't seem to be timed well. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. Oh, that was a close one. For some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. A great effort from the field, but he fails to stop the ball in the end. The ball races away to the boundary. He's got it in hand. gets it right back. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead.
Catch it.
They've weathered many a storm together, haven't they? Great partnership. Another four. The bowler has used all the weapons in his armory, but nothing is working. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple?
Catch.
And that's no good. No ball gives the batting a freebie. Let's see what's in store for the batsman. It's time for a free hit. A half effort. Let's hope it doesn't continue outside of free hits. It's going to be a steep... A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Interesting to see what they come up with based on this field setup. And it's gone for a 4. What a cracking start! A boundary off his first encounter. When the bowler's trying to play executioner, the umpire steps in as judge and jury. He's taken the aerial route. 6 more. He's going around the wicket this time. Maybe this will unsettle the striker. The third umpire has been asked for. Too fine a call to make on sight. Edged and caught. Infrared to confirm. There's a blip on the hotspot and it's all over. An unfortunate lapse in timing and he's out. The fielding unit is aided in the early... He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. It looks like it's going all the way, and it does. 4. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the air. Great coordination between the pair. That's good running. The fielder sees eye to eye with the ball. Ample rotation of the upper body there. Textbooks, blinding speed and a quick throw. Now that's a solid defense. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. A good ball. No runs given off that one. A textbook cover drive. Simply gorgeous. Excellent use of the feet by the batsman. It has been pushed down to the... And that's 4. Using his feet superbly. Lovely shot. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. That finds the middle of the bat and he goes for the on drive. batsman leaves the delivery. That almost took the batsman's head off. A stern warning from the umpire. Superb wrist work. That's been deposited into the stands again at the end of the over. A good over for the batting team. That's well left. Better safe than sorry. The umpire signals it as a wide delivery. Come on! Well fielded, and the batsman couldn't get away with it. Plays a square drive to the leg side region. Couldn't get any runs for it. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. A tiny dot ball to end the over.
हर रोज 8 से 10 घंटे सेट करने के लिए तैयार हो जाए।
The ball is not stopping for anyone. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow through. That's some fine running between the wickets. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. Cleaving through cover and mid-off. A magnificent... Oh, that was a nasty one. The bowler gets a rap on the knuckles for that helmet blaster. That was spotted so quickly by the fielder. What a great effort in the field. The batsman opting to play it safe. The batsman never saw that one coming. What a ball. That's some clever use of the wrist from the batsman. He drives that one down to the onside. No luck for the batsman. At the end of that over, dot ball. The media Brazilian pacer has been called into the attack now. The batsman presses forward in defence. He watches the ball so closely and attacks it straight down the ground. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. A good shot selection. Drives the ball through the offside. A lovely leg glance. Well edged by the batsman. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders in the deep square with a gentle push. Ozan! Loud shouts from the bowling team, but the umpire decides in the batsman's favour. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. Superb wrist work. That's been deposited into the stands again at the end of the over. A good over for the batting team. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A swing and a miss. The batsman got luckier there. That's as square as the best of them. Great footwork there. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. One bounce and over the fence. That looks like a big one. That's played so well by the batsman for a huge 6. He's given the ball some French leave from the pitch. Too bad the bowler didn't approve. A poor over from the bowler. Mark, but gives it away. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Good effort. Leaves the ball this time. A clever one that left no room for the batsman. Dot ball. textbook drive that rockets down to extra cover. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. Did he make it in time? The umpire says he did. Safe. Excellent placement by the batsman. That was some sensational stuff to watch from the fielder. He plays a lovely square cut. Sensational stuff. Stopped a definite boundary with his fielding effort. He'd do well in a bar fight. That's one heck of a hook. The batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. A direct hit from the fielder. Pinpoint aim and reflexes on show here. He's forced him to play that down. Calculated bowling. He's really rationing out the runs. A good over. Always go for the legs, as they say in fight sports. The same goes for cricket. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders in the deep square with a gentle... An impressive stint by both batsmen. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. Swept across with no mercy. He jumps back to safety. Was he in time? The decision is in favour of the batsman. Not out, says the umpire. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. Whacks it flat and hard to extra cover. He struck the meatiest bit of willow there. A whale of an onside shot. This might be close. The batsman goes for the dive. The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. Gets underneath the ball this time and lofts it for a 6 off the last ball. A good over for the batting team. Looks like trouble from above. The game might get put on hold. They're bringing in some medium pace to try and limit the opposition's scoring rate. That finds the middle of the bat and he goes for the on-drive. That's a quick bit of legwork. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. A textbook drive that rockets down to extra cover. Ozan! The umpire knows what the batsman doesn't. Not out. He struck the meatiest bit of willow there. A whale of an onside shot. The fielding side are the first to notice the change in weather. He could be in for a slushy pitch. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders on the offside. he make it? Easy decision by the umpire. That signal not out.
Catch it.
Got him with an easy catch in the end. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan. And anchor the innings. It's a bit of a rain shower out here, and the umpires are factoring conditions to take a call on whether to halt play. The leg spinner takes up the charge. Can he convert? The grounds are all awash, and everyone is hurrying back to the stands to escape the downpour. The rain gods have decided to send their greetings. The players run off, and the covers come on. Rain has played havoc with the pitch. It's going to take some bold plays from the batting side to make that target in time. Duckworth Lewis has made this a real nail-biter. There's the light at the end of that long tunnel of singles. A solid four. Couldn't have added more grace to it. Swept away in a frenzy. He never saw that catch coming. The striker shuffles back to the pavilion.
शबैम चाय वो बनाएगी क्या? टोस्ट नहीं है क्या? ब्रेड है तो चाय ब्रेड खाएंगे. चाय ब्रेड.
He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here.
ब्रेड या टोस्ट खाएंगे.
He's racing down the ground, and the ball gets... He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw! He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? A confident appeal from the bowler, but the umpire isn't forgetting. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. 2 runs to start things off. A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. Straight as an arrow, that one. A resounding shot. Great coordination between the pair. That's good running. Batsman's off the mark with that single. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. The crowds are going crazy for that unbelievable stop. He dives wildly back to the crease. Is he out?
दूसरी बार हुआ ऐसा. देख रहे हो कि फिर बंद हो गया. ठीक करना है यार, इसको ठीक करना पड़ेगा. ये नेक्स्ट वेब मल्टीमीडिया गलत है ना. इतना अच्छा है गेम है, फिर भी मैं खेल रहा हूँ. वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट चैम्पियन, यू शुड गिव सम रॉयल्टी टू मी.
The outfield is no longer the batsman's playground, as the field is now spread. The medium pacer has been pulled into the attack now. That's brilliant. He plays the straight drive with such perfection. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. He jumps back to safety. Was he in time? Easy decision by the umpire. That signal not out. Just the one off that ball. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow through. Some clever use of the wrist from the batsman. He drives that one down to the onside. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? Third umpire is being referred here.
ये आउट होना चाहिए, शुड बी आउट।
That's out by a mile. The stumps have lit up. A new man in. Time for him. It's a loud shout and the batsman is unsure. The umpire says he's safe, not out. And that's no good. A no ball gives the... The batsman has found the gap through the fielders in the deep square with a gentle pull. He dives wildly back to the crease. Textbook cover drive, simply gorgeous. He moves like lightning and stops it just inside. An impressive stint by both batsmen. Excellent placement by the batsman. Moves quickly to place the ball on the offside. Cuts the bowler's legs off with that one. What a drive. It's the last stand for the bowler as he takes his final shot at the wicket. He's generating a ton of reverse spin on this wicket. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true.
राय रशल सिराज से देंगे, हम सिराज को बोलेंगे।
He's devastated that ball, thumped over the field for four. Skyward. Is that going to cost him? That was caught with good judgment in the outfield. Good effort. Leaves the ball this time. A good ball. No runs given off that one. Leaves the batsman totally baffled. Good shot selection. Sensational stuff. Stopped a definite boundary with his fielding effort. A tiny dot ball to end the over. A leg spinner has come into play. Some nimble footwork and a dainty flick that races down fine leg. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. Opening the tally with a quick single. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. Took the pace off the ball with that brilliantly timed dive. Oh, what a delivery!